Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your system supports taskbar customization. This is why Windows 10 or 11 and recent updates matter. Once confirmed, open taskbar settings directly by right-clicking the taskbar and choosing taskbar settings, because that grants the controls you need. Make a restore point now. If a tweak misbehaves, you can revert quickly. Now that prerequisites and the first actionable step are done, proceed to the detailed customization options found in the Settings pane. You'll adjust transparency and color next because those settings directly control the taskbar background visibility. Go to Settings, right arrow Personalization, right arrow Colors, and toggle Transparency Effects off to remove glassy backgrounds, then pick a matching accent or neutral color so the bar blends. If you want it hidden entirely, enable Auto Hide Taskbar in Taskbar Behaviors, and consider a third-party utility to set 0% opacity. These tools change rendering beyond built-in. You finish by applying and verifying changes. Sign out or restart Windows Explorer to force UI redraw, because some options need a reload to take effect. If you still see a background, inspect Active Theme, High Contrast Mode, and Display Scaling, which can override transparency. Once done, test across full-screen apps and multiple monitors to ensure consistency. If something goes wrong, use the restore point you made or boot safe mode to undo tweaks. That's your quickest recovery method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.